Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off location services or GPS on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings. On Settings, scroll all the way down until you find Privacy and Security. And right here at the very top position you can easily find the location services. You can get into it, and by enabling or disabling that feature you can turn it on or turn it off. Now it says that location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable Lost mode. So you can just hit at turn off to toggle it off, or you can hit at that switcher to turn it on back again. Also, right here at that app list, you can customize location services settings for each particular app. For example, I can set it up for Facebook. I can tap on that, and then I can switch it from never to ask next time or when share or while using the app in that simple way. And in the same way you can customize the settings for each particular app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.